2007 Chrysler Town & Country. We're replacing the radiator. I'm draining out the radiator. I got a little hose hooked up here. And it's, well, kind of, there it is. It's draining a little slowly, but it's coming out. Phillips head. Clip pliers. $10 mil. Getting this thing the hell out your way. Yeah. 10 mil. Loose. Hose. Hand. Twist. Off. Bottom of car. Hose clamp pliers. Hose clamp. I did cheat. I took it, I turned it a little bit because it wasn't quite straight. Hose clamp. Backed off right there. Drain bucket. Grab hose, twist, and pray it doesn't spray everywhere. Oh, like that. Bucket. 13 millimeter. Hands, apparatus. As you will notice, I covered up the battery with rags to make sure it doesn't short. Fingers. Weak fingers. Pick tool. Clip. Ah! Ow! This thing hurts. Well, that happened. Hose clamp pliers. Hose we pulled off earlier. 10 mil quarter on electric ratchet. Bolts holding fan to radiator shroud. Ah, fans. These stupid things. Take them off. But now, radiator's out, so let's get the new one in. As much as I love you, at this point, it's just everything you just did in reverse. Once we got the radiator out, that was pretty much it. So we will move on to other things, make another video about doing the thermostat and the valve cover gasket. We'll make those all separate videos in case people need different chunks. And that's it. Just make sure you got it set into the bottom. The condenser is clicked in. These little front clips, they like squeeze clips, and the condenser just slots into the bottom and then clips at the top, and that holds it nice and steady. And now we got to put the fan back in, put this top back on. You know the rest. So thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it, and please do like, comment, and/or subscribe, and all the rest of that crap. Have a fantastic rest of your day.